Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in your videos using the CapCut on PC. Now, as you notice that this video hasn't zoomed in yet, so what you're going to do is go to the position and size and click on the keyframe button. Now you want to select a specific part of the video in which you want to zoom in. Once you selected, you might click again the keyframe button and go to scale and create some adjustments on how zoomed the video you want it to be. Now you may try playing on the video. And as you can see, the video is zooming in. And that's it. You just successfully zoomed in your video using the CapCut app on PC.